we asked a fourth grade class to answer the big question, will there ever be a new state in the United States? The learners were allowed to use writing tools, poster paper, physical resources like books, and one iPad per group. Our goals for this session were for the learners to use critical thinking, collaboration, and effective oral and written communication. While the groups were working, Mrs. Railing and I chose to walk around the room and help students connect prior knowledge about Texas statehood to the current big question. Some of the groups had a really strong understanding of Texas statehood and were able to apply the reasons for statehood to present-day issues. After the 2-minute presentation, we discussed our learning and what we wanted our new goals to be. The students decided they wanted to focus on finding reliable digital resources, and they wanted to spend more time on the information on their posters instead of how pretty they were. The learners were excited to dive into a second SOLE session. We were thrilled that they were so antsy to research and share their learning. Our big question for this session was, what is the difference between a hero and a celebrity? The learners really liked this question because they felt that they had more background knowledge. They dove right into their investigation and started thinking of heroes and celebrities. They also kept our poster goal in mind and decided to use thinking maps to share their learning. Each team did such a good job getting right to work and using their iPads and books to find reliable resources. They also did a great job communicating and collaborating so that they didn't waste any of their time. During the presentations, the poster included a lot more information about what the students had learned. We also had a better understanding of where their information came from because they cited their sources. Our goals for our third SOLE session focus on presentation. We would like the learners to face their audience, use louder speaking voices, and present using their own words versus reading off of their posters. We are so proud of the growth the learners have shown so far in their research skills and using their 21st century skills by tackling real-world issues that correlate to the fourth grade curriculum.